Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today my special topic I am giving to you is about Gandasthavali Chandas. It is a rare Sanskrit poetic meter. Fantastic poems are composed in this poetic meter called Gandasthavali. Earlier in my video I have covered Vamshasthavali Chandas. This Gandasthavali, this is a word coined by myself, and this is quite similar to Vamshasthavali, but yet it is quite different from Vamshasthavali. How it is different, we will just examine now. Just having a recap of what is Vamshasthavali. Jatau tu Vamshasthamudiritam Jarau. That was the pattern. That is Jatau Jarau is the pattern we should get for Vamshasthavali. And then the other sutra, Lakshana Sutra for Vamshasthavali was Vadanti Vamshastavalim Jatau Jarau. That was the sutra. The condition being Jatau Jarau pattern, that is 0 1 0 and then 1 1 0 and then 0 1 0 again and then 1 0 1 ending with a refa. So that was the pattern for Vamshasthavali. Likewise for Gandasthavali, I have coined the name Gandasthavali myself, all by myself, and I also coined a Lakshana Sutra, fantastic Lakshana Sutra for Gandasthavali in the Gandasthavali Chandas itself, as it should be. So here I go, I am just giving the Gandasthavali Lakshana Sutra now, and then I will explain the digital pattern for this Lakshana Sutra, and then I will also give two wonderful illustrations. The third illustration I will take up in the next video. So now Gandasthavali Lakshana Sutra composed myself. It will be like this, my dear friends. Bruyattu Gandasthamidau tatau jarau. Bruyattu Gandasthamidam tatau jarau. That is tatau jarau pattern we have to get. We will examine now. We can as well say Bruyattu or Bruyatcha. So what it means is, it is to be declared Bruyattu. It is to be declared as Gandasthavali. Bruyattu Gandastham idam. It is to be declared as Gandasthavali pattern or Gandasthavali Chandas, as Gandasthavali poetic meter. Idam tatau jarau. When we see the pattern tatau jarau, when we come across the pattern tatau jarau, we call it as Gandasthavali. If it is Jatau Jarau, we call it as Vamshasthavali. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Very, very interesting. Now that examine the meaning and the digital pattern for this Lakshana Sutra. Bruyattu Gandasthamidam tatau jarau. Bruyattu is the first word, which is yielding as 110, that is ta. So first condition ta is being satisfied, and then moving on. Gandastha is the second word, second section. So that is also yielding as 110 in the Lakshana Sutra. So tatau is the second condition is satisfied. Both taganas we are getting tatau. Moving on. Midamta is the jagana. 010 we are getting. So midamta is the jagana there. We are getting as tatau ja. Moving on. Tau jarau is the final refa, which is yielding as 101. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So Bruyattu Gandasthamidam tatau jarau, or we can also say Bruyatcha Gandasthamidam tatau jarau. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now we just have an illustration shloka for this Gandasthavali. The finest illustration I can give you is the Satyadriramam shloka, which earlier in my videos I have covered already. So in this shloka, what happens, Satyadriramam shloka, it's a very, very rare shloka because it consists of three different chandas in a single shloka. That is very rare in Sanskrit, entire Sanskrit literature. So this is very special and unique shloka. I will just recite this shloka now. Satyadriramam sarasiruhekshanam Nasamanim Rajita Shankachakram Dhanudharam Sayaka Divyahastam Namami Ramam Raghuvamshanatham. What is happening here is, we can check out Satyadriramam Sarasi Ruhekshanam. The first padam is in Gandasthavali, second padam and the third padam is in Indravajra. सत्याद्रिरामं सरसीरुहेक्षणं नासामणिं राजितशङ्खचक्रं धनुर्धरं सायकदिव्यहस्तं. Second and third are in Indravajra. Namami Ramam Raghuvamshanatham. That is yielding as Upendravajra. If it is only, if it were only Upendravajra and Indravajra combination, it was to be declared as Upajati. This is not so because the first padam is Gandhasthvari. We will examine it now. Satyadri Ramam Sarasiruhekshanam. Satyadri is yielding as Ta 110. Ramam Sa is yielding as again 110. That is Ta Tatau is satisfied. And then moving on. Satyadri Ramam Sa Rasiruhekshanam. Sarasiruhekshanam. Rasiru is yielding as 010. That is Jagana. So Hekshanam is yielding as a Refa, that is 101. So Tatau Jarau we are getting. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So this is a unique shloka, very rare in the entire Sanskrit literature. Just one shloka comprising of 3 chandas, 3 poetic meters in just a single shloka. Very rare and unique, my dear friends. So next I am taking up one more illustration for Gandhastholi, that is a shloka from Bhagavatam. And then the opening verse and the most of the verses of Rutu Samhara composed by the great poet Kalidasa is in Gandhasthali Chandas. I will deal with all these things in my upcoming video. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Dipi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.